Evening, everyone. It's Sunday night, the 16th, and this is your weekly gold update, and it is video number 758. And I gotta say, the gold really looks like it wants to break out. I know that this is a flat top, and that does concern me, although it looks to me as if we are making new highs, although only nominally. My big problem is 1863, 1862 in this area of the falling 200-day MA. It's not falling terribly. I mean, it's pretty flat along here. Hasn't been above 1878, hasn't been below 1862. But it does concern me up there. On the other hand, we have the clear break to the upside through the 20, the 50, and it looks like we're about to go through the 200-day moving average in this gold contract. Let's go to a weekly, and you can see we've been in this consolidation, and it looks like it really wants to roll back to the upside. So it's a hard one to really figure, with the exception of last week's action and the week before's action has come on increased volume, and not increased by a little. I mean, I don't, this number of volume is about 190,000 contracts. This one is 280. That's a 90,000 increase on 190. That's pretty extreme. And then this past week, 337. So another, let's call it 50,000 contracts. So, when you're looking at these little numbers in here before any of these moves, the volume is really minute. Also, we have the flattening out of the open interest after a long period of decline. What that generally means is that the professionals, the commercials, have taken back control of this market. And that's something that happens. They tend to, if you look at what happens in here, they tend to move it to the upside when they get control again. So I'm going to stick with this. I want to take a quick look at the silver, since that's where our position is. I mean, we own a bunch of gold miners. We own Newmont. We own Harmony. But we're in the silver, and the silver looks to me pretty much the same way. This is the weekly. I want to go back to the daily because I think that gives us a little better view. We haven't quite gotten back up to the high. For some reason on Friday, the silver was down while the gold was up. So I'm hoping that we have a little bit of a catch-up day. So far, it isn't happening. We're only up 12 cents, and I really need to see us go back through. Let's see what these highs are. Clearly, the high close here is 27.66.7. So 27.67. So that's about 20 cents above where we're trading right now. If we get a close above that, I'm going to guess that we make a new high over this high of 28.005, and that we test the area around 28.40, 28.50. And the situation in the Middle East is certainly supportive of these prices moving higher. All right, everyone, I'll be back in the morning.